Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, House on Pine. This is a brand new channel. I am so excited to start this channel. I do have another channel, Appalachian Home Co. So if you are coming from over there, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm so excited about today's video. It is the first fall video that I have on this new channel. So I wanted to start off showing you guys some decor that I have. We're gonna be getting ready to do some fall decorating videos and some makeovers. So I wanted to just lay some of the things that I have out here, show you guys what I have to get started with so that you can get some ideas of what is out right now and what I'm going to be using to decorate this fall in a couple weeks. So we'll go ahead and get started. I have some things from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby. I also have a Grove collaborative haul. So that is some cleaning products that have some really good fall scents. I'm going to show you some of those. I have some wooden signs that I've purchased. One is from Hobby Lobby and the other are handmade signs. They're DIYs on my other channel. I have the cutest pumpkin banner. I'm going to show you in just a minute. I love this banner. Oh, and I also have some Halloween decor already, but they were so cute I could not pass them up. So I'm going to show you some of these signs. This one actually is a DIY. I will link the video of this one down below, but it is just this sweeter than pumpkin pie sign, and this frame actually came from Ross. It was $4.99 for the frame, and I just created a design with some vinyl and some decals, but this one is going up in my kitchen. I can't wait to put this up. The next one is actually this fall sign. This is also a DIY. This was super easy to make. It says, "I love fall most of all." I saw these in Kirkland's, so I thought I would just try to make it. It looked so easy. So this is another video I'll link if you want to see how I made this, but this is also going up. It might be staying here, I'm not sure, but anyway, that is another sign that will be going up. This I actually got from Hobby Lobby on sale. It was 50% off. I'm going to be doing a door hanger with it. It was really only $3.99, but I gave half off of that. So it was only like $2 for this little Hello Fall wooden cutout. So we'll be doing a door hanger. And then last but not least, I have been wanting this copper sign. So I finally went and picked it up. It's on sale at Hobby Lobby about a week ago, but it is this Farm Fresh Pumpkins copper sign. I'm definitely going to be placing this up probably in my kitchen or dining room. So we'll be decorating with this, and I cannot wait to do that. But the next thing I want to be putting up this year are some banners. This one is a DIY, again, on my other channel. It's super simple and fun to make, but it's a pumpkin banner. It is made out of felt, so I can't wait to use that. And then this was a super find for me. When I saw this, I was so excited. I just fell in love. And honestly, this has sparked a bunch of my DIY videos so that I have coming up, but it is this little pumpkin pie banner. And it's not just a banner, it's actually 3D little plushies. Look at these little pieces of pumpkin pie. Oh my gosh. It is a banner, so they're on some strings, but I'm going to actually place these in a pie plate. I even bought some felt to try to recreate these to make some more for a craft festival, but these are so pretty. I love these. Coming up next is going to be some pillow covers. I absolutely love pillow covers. They're easy to wash. You just switch them out per season and keep the same pillows. So these ones I actually got from Amazon. I'm not super into color, but I couldn't pass these up because they're so pretty. They just scream fall. These come in a pack of 4. So you get actually 4 pillowcases for, I think it was like $18.99. There is a checkered pattern. It also comes with a solid rust color, and then it has a smaller checkered pattern, which I really like the smaller one. So I may use some of these on my porch. And then this one's my favorite. It's actually a striped pattern. I would really love some kitchen towels in this stripe if I could find it, but yeah, I think that's gonna look super cute. Next, I have some greenery. My cat just killed a rabbit. Anyway, I have some greenery. It is this faux greenery from Hobby Lobby. I was going to use it last year for Christmas, but I did not. So I'm going to use it this fall for a centerpiece for my dining room table. I also have some fall stems to go with it. I'm just going to put those in the greenery around my candle centerpiece. And then again, as far as outdoor stuff, I bought this welcome flag from Amazon. I'm in love with this thing. It's so pretty. But this was like $8.50, I think, on Amazon. So that's definitely going outside. But we'll continue with some of the Grove Collaborative products. These I love. I love cleaning products. They make my home feel like whatever season it is. So I really stocked up on some of these fall scents. If you're not familiar with Grove, I'll show you some of the things that you can get there. First, it's not really a fall item, but I love this product. It is the Method Fabric Softener. It smells so good. It makes your clothes smell good. This is in the scent Ginger Mango. That is the first item that I got from Grove. And I got 2 of these all-purpose cleaners. This is in the pear scent. These are probably one of my favorite scents from Mrs. Meyers Collection. Some more all-purpose cleaners that I got was in the Acorn Spice and also the Apple Cider scent. These smell amazing. This one's probably my favorite because it makes your whole house or whole kitchen just smell like an apple pie. This one is more of an earthy scent. It's a deeper scent, but I really love it. And in those same scents, I did get some of the hand soap. So these are gonna go in my bathroom and kitchen. And then this is the dish soap that's going in my kitchen. These I'm probably going to pair together on my little stand beside the sink. And then last from Grove, I did get some of these scrubbers. You can either get the walnut or coconut scrubbers. The walnuts are my favorite, but for some reason I got these. But these are the coconut scrubbers. So they're very neutral and they look good sitting out on your sink, and they're also really good cleaners for your dishes. And then I got this free with my order. This is just some hand soap sheets. I have not tried these yet, but I'll let you know how they work. This is in Lavender Blossom. And then just a couple random items that I got online. This I got from Amazon. This is a pumpkin pie scent. I have used it before to make these candles with. These are homemade. I'm probably going to do a video on here on how to make your own candles, but these smell so good. This is like my favorite candle scent ever, and I made this myself, and you can make this yourself too. I just used a mason jar or a Kerr jar actually, and some candle wax and this scent, and this will make you 3 or 4 candles. It smells so good. It's pumpkin pie scent by P&J. And I'll link this from Amazon down below. And then, of course, I had to go to Kirkland's. So this is their fall scent packets. I got 2 of these, but this one is my favorite. It's got the spice, it's got the autumn leaf scent in there, and I'm gonna be placing these just out. They're pretty to decorate with, and they also smell awesome. And then the last fall decor item I actually got was this Raydon mug. This says Falling For You, and it has like a rust orange center. If you're not a Raydon fan, that's fine, but I love them. So now on to the last items, the Halloween items. Speaking of Raydon mugs, I had to pick these up. I found these at Marshall's, I believe. I love the colors. This says Lazy Bones and Bone to Be Wild, and the insides of these are orange, and this one is black. So these are definitely going out for Halloween. And I picked these up also. This one says Trick or Treat. This is super popular. I may post some of these on Instagram in a little setup. And then I love the little jack-o'-lantern cup design, and both of these are orange on the inside. And then the last Halloween items, these are going in my kitchen. The first one is this hand towel. It has the bats on it, and it came with the little orange and black bat set. So I can't wait to put these out. I love the embellishment around the bats. It makes it look really, it gives it a lot of dimension, so I'm really digging that. And then this is my favorite thing that I found at Home Goods, and it was only $5.99, but it's this Halloween plate. I'm gonna set this up on a stand on my counters in the kitchen, so I loved this. So this is definitely going out. That is all the fall decor that I have so far. I cannot wait to start putting this out for you guys, sharing some fall decorates, and hopefully my next video I'm going to be redoing my kitchen. We're going to be doing the cabinet painting. So I'm gonna try to get everything ready in the next couple weeks to try to get ready for some fall decor. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I loved making it. I love making all decor videos and videos just like this. So if you're interested in subscribing, please subscribe. I would love to have you. I would love to talk with you in the comments. If you have a comment, feel free to post it there. Thank you so much for stopping by my new channel, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next video.